my channel. Today we will be making Nutella bread. We will be needing the following ingredients: 3 cups of white flour, 1/2 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast, 1 can of evaporated milk, 1/3 cup of 1 teaspoon of salt, and of course our Nutella. And we will be using butter flavored cooking spray. First, we will put in all of our dry ingredients in a bowl. Okay, we put in the flour, then the sugar, the powdered milk, and the salt, and we will just stir it and combine them thoroughly. Next, we will put in our milk in a bowl. Okay, and we will microwave this one for 20 seconds. Now that we did microwave our milk for like 20 seconds, we will put in our active dry yeast. Okay, we will mix it. And we will just let the active dry yeast activate itself for like 5 to 10 minutes. Now that it's already 10 minutes, as you can see, our active dry yeast is already activated since it has formed the bubbles already. So we will be using the mixer. We will put in our wet ingredients first. And then 1/3 of our dry ingredients. again. Okay, then we can put all of our dry ingredients now, and we will mix this one and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Now that it's 10 minutes already, we will remove our dough. Okay, we just have to scrape this one. Now we just have to form a round shape, and we can scrape the sides by using our butter flavored cooking spray, because we just want to get, the sides of our dough. Okay, you just have to form a round shape, and then we will cover this one with a transparent plastic, and we will let our dough double in size for like an hour. Okay, we just cover it with plastic and give it time to rest. Now that our dough has doubled in size, we will knead it manually. We want to scrape the extra on the bowl. Now we will be kneading our dough manually. Okay, and we will be cutting this one into 3 parts. Okay. Now we can cover this one with plastic and give it time to rest like 1 to 2 hours before we bake it. Now we will bake our Nutella bread. We did preheat the oven for like 5 to 10 minutes on 350 degrees. Here is now our Nutella bread. We did bake it for like 20 minutes and now it's time to taste. Delicious. You can really taste the Nutella. Once again, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you find value to this video, please click the subscribe, like, and share button. And for any suggestions or for any recipes that you would like us to feature on this channel, please drop a comment below. Once again, thank you. Take care and be safe. Bye.